Hello everybody, welcome back to Hugo House. Today we are gonna take a look at this park model home with a beautiful open floor plan. These days, park model home designs are an affordable option to home ownership. The park model homes of today can be beautiful, sturdy, open and modern, and keep getting better all the time. This park model home is affordably priced and has several windows that offer expansive views and plenty of natural light. Most tiny house designs feature wood flooring, while this park model home is a little bit different, with a contemporary vibe that this tile flooring provides along with the other design choices you'll find in the interior. The park model home has dark trim around the windows and the ceiling, which does a lot to make every feature in the room stand out elegantly. The vaulted ceiling in the home makes the room feel even more spacious and grand. The park model home has large curtains that allow you to screen out the light or to maintain your privacy when needed. When you stand in the living area with the big windows behind you, you'll have the kitchen positioned ahead of you. The kitchen in the park model feels a bit more enclosed than the living room, but there's still ample counter space for you to work and lots of light that comes in through the window over the sink. The tiny home has an oven, microwave, and cooktop that are already installed. One of the definite selling features of the park model home is its large shower, which looks like it might also double as a bathtub. Park model homes typically don't have large bathrooms, or are quite often about half the size, and usually they don't include any sort of bathtub. This park model home has a bathtub and a good-sized bathroom. There's also a full-sized room in the back of the park model tiny house which could serve as a bedroom. So many tiny house designs have nothing like this. Park model home emphasizes it in many of their park model designs, which is welcome news for anyone who wants to avoid staircases and ladders. You can appreciate the spectacular effect of the trim and its contrast with the interior walls and doors. This park model home has a closet right by the front door. This is not something that you see every day. Something else that park model homes excels at is that they provide more than enough cabinet and drawer space for all your belongings. This park model home has a ceiling fan with a contemporary home design that fits well with the rest of the interior, and which can help you to keep your cooling costs down in the warmer summer months. When you're working in the kitchen in this tiny house design, you get to enjoy all of the natural light flowing in through the big windows, and you can look outside whatever beautiful views you have where you live. This is a stunning tiny house design with an abundance of useful features and a distinctive contemporary park model interior with minimalist but eye-catching design accents. And if you like this video, don't forget to consider dropping us a like. It really helps this channel to grow. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring new homes every day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.